Hi everyone, I'm Bill Clarkson with Clarkson Santaro, and this is our weekly real estate update for December 17th. In this weekly series, we update you on the latest trends that are occurring in our real estate market in San Ramon. With our more than 50 combined years of experience helping people buy and sell homes, we explain what those trends mean for you as a homeowner or as someone looking for a house you will love to call a home. This week, we're going to look back on what happened this year and what a year it has been. The year 2021 has been the most extraordinary year in the history of real estate in San Ramon. No other year even comes close to the torrid pace we have experienced in property appreciation and buyer demand. I began my real estate career in 1978. And I've experienced numerous business cycles, from the highs of the dot-com boom to the lows of the Great Recession. However, nothing can compare to the explosive appreciation and the overwhelming numbers of multiple offers, and offers exceeding the asking price we've seen during the last 12 months. As the year draws to a close, I want to take a few minutes to share with you what has occurred, what the numbers mean, and what has driven this amazing real estate market in San Ramon. The first thing I wanted to address is the average sales price for the year. This only includes single-family detached homes, not townhouses, condos, or duets. The average sales price was $1,727,000, and it includes all the sales since January 1st, 2021, when values were starting out at a lower price than they are today. Home values have been steadily increasing all year, and the $1,727,000 number is a weighted average for the whole year. A true judgment of the current value of property is using the 30-day rolling average. That number now stands at $1,816,000, almost $90,000 higher than the year's average. A look at the 7-day rolling average is even higher at $1,985,000. These latter two statistics are a more true reflection of the current value of property in San Ramon as our year draws to an end. As I just mentioned, the average selling price in 2021 was $1,727,000. In 2020, the average selling price was $1,306,000. So this year we saw the average property rise in value more than $421,000. To put this number in context, the average sales price of a house in 1999 was only $407,000, which is less than the difference between today's and last year's average. This increase is easily the largest yearly change in property values in San Ramon, and as a percentage topped just over 32%. The next closest year in appreciation percentage was in 2000, when it came in at 24%. As much as we might be surprised by the jump in property values, the truly extraordinary number we saw this year was the amount over the asking price the buyers were offering on listings. To set the stage for this metric, the average amount that was offered over or under a successful purchase in the years 1999 to 2020 was $2,500 below the asking price. The highest amount over asking during those years was $28,000 in 2020. In 2008, it dropped to the lowest average of $32,000 below the asking price. In contrast, during 2021, the average over asking price was $177,000, an incredible jump from any prior year. This was an average of about 11.5% over the listing price. And this wasn't because sellers were asking too little for their homes. The average list price in 2021 was $273,000 higher than in 2020. In a normal market, homes usually spend an average of 30 days on the market prior to selling. In the last 23 years, the lowest days on market was in 2020, and it was 14 days. The highest was 54 days back in 2008. In 2021, the time on market was only 7 days, half again the number of the next lowest. In addition, this number itself is inflated. By this I mean, most homes are usually first marketed on a Thursday, and we wait until the following Tuesday or 5 days to receive and accept offers. This extra time in the market allows prospective buyers the opportunity to see homes on the weekend during the open house or with their agents. If offers were allowed to be presented at the first opportunity, the average number of days on the market would probably collapse to only 3 or 4. One of the other key measures we use to gauge the market's overall strength is the pace that the monthly inventory turns over. In a normal market, the market will turn over on an average of once a month. And by this I mean the number of monthly pending sales will match the average daily inventory level. This year, the average market turnover rate was 3.5 times. and at its highest level, the inventory turned over 8.25 times. This lightning-quick turnover rate would be extraordinary in a short-term basis of a month or two, but it has been sustained all year, a truly remarkable feat. And speaking of inventory, over these last 23 years, the average daily level of inventory of available homes was about 49 homes. Keep in mind that this is an average, and it will rise and fall during the seasons, but will usually stay within the range of 30 to 70 homes. This year, our average level of inventory was only 15 homes and has fallen as low as 3. This is unprecedented, and it is perhaps the single most important factor driving the ongoing bidding war. There are simply too many buyers for too few homes that are available for purchase. The last point I want to make does not have a chart because our MLS system is not set up to require this information. The final thing I would like to discuss is how many offers properties are receiving. Based on our conversations with multiple brokers this year, most homes are receiving more than one offer. In our experience, 90% of the 22 homes we listed and sold this year received multiple offers. The number of multiple offers on those homes range from 3 to a high of 20. The average number of offers we received on our listings this year was 8. This fact is still hard to believe even after experiencing it. If the information on how many offers was received by each property was available, it would allow us to better track and predict the course of this phenomena and the future direction of our market. To summarize, 2021 is drawing to a close. We see no recent let-up in the intensity of the market. The price surge is continuing, as are the multiple offers. 2021 will go down in San Ramon real estate history as the single most extraordinary year on record. It will be interesting to see what 2022 will bring our way, so stay tuned for our weekly marketing updates so you can stay current with the latest real estate developments in San Ramon. Next week, we will review in more detail the last quarter century of real estate in San Ramon and place in better context the amazing year of 2021. I hope this weekly summary and commentary was helpful for you. Let us know in the comments below if you have specific questions about what the numbers mean for you. Have a wonderful and joyous holiday season, and I will see you next week with a new update on the latest real estate trends in San Ramon.